Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make bruschetta. Begin by dicing 1 tomato. Then chop 4 or 5 basil leaves. After that, cut some slices of French bread. Next, place your diced tomatoes in a bowl and then add your basil, a half a tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a half a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/8 teaspoon pepper. Then mix all your ingredients together until well combined. When you're finished, set your bowl to the side. Next, place your sliced pieces of bread on a baking sheet and then brush the bread with olive oil on both sides. After that, add shredded Parmesan cheese on top. When you're finished, bake your bread in the oven at 400 degrees for 5 to 6 minutes or until the cheese is melted and the edges of your bread are golden brown. Once you finish baking your bread, all that's left is to add your tomato mixture on top. And this is the finished result. Bruschetta is a super easy dish and a great appetizer. It's super simple, but it tastes great. The recipe I used for this video will be linked down below. This is another recipe I used for my tea party video, and I just wanted to show you guys how to make it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Everything I used will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!